Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, May 23, 2022. We had a bearish week last week, closing down at the lows of the week on a closing basis. We were off the intraday lows by quite a bit as we rallied into the close of the session on Friday, but we still closed down at the lows of the week on a closing basis. And this morning we are trading higher as we start the new week. So we're going to look at that pattern here and discover. I've selected all four instruments. The setup is based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now this morning we are trading higher. That's going to be added to the test by going to the opening filters, gap direction, and clicking on gap up. That means that the opening price today is above the prior session closing price, and that is currently true at the time of this recording. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that yesterday, or Friday I should say, closed at a 5-day low, and I'm going to grab that from the new lows section, which is right here. It's the very top option. You can also grab it from the active today section, which tells you all of the factors within this library that are true for today. So you can see that one here on the new lows. It's the very top option there. So I've got that selected. The next one I'm going to do is head down to indicators. I'm going to put us below a 200-day simple moving average, and I'm going to go to last close versus long-term moving average here. Click below on the 200-day simple moving average. Again, that's one you can grab from the active today as well. It would be right there. And then the last one is the calendar library. I'm going to go to the active today for that one. I'm going to click on Monday. When I do that, it gets added to the test. Now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you are gapping up on a Monday, the prior session closed at a 5-day closing low and below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 30 samples here in the S&P, 37 in the NASDAQ, 38 in the Dow, 45 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates, they're kind of mixed here. Nothing super strong, nothing super weak. The S&P is the weakest of the group at 40%. The others are all kind of neutral. So NASDAQ coming in closer to 49%. We've got 53% on the Dow and 47% on the Russell. If we take a look at the average moves, for the S&P, the average win is larger than the average loss. For the NASDAQ, it's the larger loss there on average. And then for the Dow, average win larger. For the Russell, they're pretty similar in size. So we're pretty mixed here on average moves, not seeing one side or the other standing out. And if we look at the win rates, and other than the S&P, they're pretty neutral. So not seeing a real strong bias in this scenario here. But hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.